Welcome to Episode 2, Guessing Word Meaning from Context Clues. As many of us know that context clues can enhance reading comprehension, today we will continue with the example clues. Let's begin.
Basic clue words like, for example, such as, or like, are often included in the text to help a reader guess the meaning of an unfamiliar word. But not always. Some writers may give examples without these words. However, to successfully guess the meaning of an unfamiliar word using example clues, readers need to have some prior knowledge or understanding of the topic. This background knowledge helps them connect the examples to the word's meaning. Let me show you some examples. To begin with, celestial bodies such as the sun, moon, and stars have fascinated humans for centuries. We can see that the words, such as indicate that the sun, moon, and stars are examples of celestial bodies or natural objects located outside of our Earth's atmosphere. Next, predators such as lions and wolves rely on hunting other animals to survive. Can you tell what predators mean? Well, lions and wolves are examples of predators, which helps you understand that predators are animals that hunt other animals for food. Let's see another example. The store sells all kinds of stationery, such as pens, notebooks, and envelopes. It is clear that the examples of pens, notebooks, and envelopes are types of office supplies or stationery. Here is the last example. The company produces a range of renewable energy sources, solar panels, wind turbines, and hydroelectric dams that help reduce dependence on fossil fuels. In the sentence, the clue words, for example, such as or like, are not given, but readers can see 3 examples of renewable energy sources, which tell them that the 3 natural energy sources can be renewed naturally and do not run out when used. Are you ready for the exercise? Let's get started. 1. Vegan burgers, such as those made from black beans or chickpeas, provide a tasty and satisfying alternative to meat-based patties. What do vegan burgers mean? Pause the video for a moment. Take your time to think about the answer. Yes, the examples indicate that these burgers are plant-based, and they can be a great choice to meat patties for those who do not eat meat. 2. Cryptic animals, like frogs and lizards, can change their color to blend in with their surroundings. What do cryptic animals refer to? Pause the video for a moment. Take your time to think about the answer. The examples of frogs and lizards, of course, effectively illustrate the concept of cryptic animals. 3. Many carnivorous plants, for example, the Venus flytrap and pitcher plant, have evolved to trap and digest insects. Pause the video for a moment. Take your time to think about the answer. Can you guess the meaning of carnivorous plants? Well, readers can define the meaning of the carnivorous plants from the examples, as they know that the flytrap and pitcher plant are types of plants that survive by catching and eating small insects. 4. Brightly colored gummies and hard candies have additives to enhance flavor and appearance. Pause the video for a moment. Take your time to think about the answer. Definitely. By using brightly colored gummies and candies as examples, readers can understand that additives are used to make them visually appealing and taste delicious.
In conclusion, if you encounter unknown words, just look for context clues, like examples to help you guess their meanings successfully. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share it with your students or friends. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified about our next content. Have a great day and see you later.